Good evening. I'm going to show you my transitional dinner that I'm doing tonight. It's called an old organic produce soup. And you can go to your, well, any health food store and tell them you want to buy old produce, maybe for your chickens or something, okay, for your animals, because you could make the best soup ever with this. And I'm going to make this here with and all this stuff has been in my refrigerator. These carrots have been in my refrigerator for a month. So what? Clean them. Okay, cut off the ends. Okay, all this stuff is old produce. Okay, let me just show you real quick. I've got a beet. Okay, it's about a month old in my refrigerator. Purple potato. I was going to say onion. Purple onions right here. And we've got quinoa that I've washed. Okay. And we're going to put in a couple old carrots. I'm going to put a piece of celery in. I'm going to put a piece of sweet potato in. I've got the water boiling. I've got a piece of nori roll here and a piece of tomato. Okay, and that's a real simple soup. Put it in for about 15 minutes. Okay, and I go ahead and then add some iris moss. And I put in all different herbs. You can put in cumin, organic, everything. Curry, celery salt, black pepper, because you want to put that with the turmeric. And then you got the cayenne. And then you got smoked paprika. You can go ahead and put in some, this is, I've had this whole amount of raw butter, and it's really good for you. Okay, I get this from a person at the farmer's market from their cows. And you put in a couple tablespoons of that after you're done. Okay, you put in some raw, okay, organic oil. Make sure it's organic. And make sure it's extra virgin. And I put in a little bit of minerals, about 10 drops. That's a basic recipe. Then when I'm finished with that, because remember, you're in transition, okay? You're transitioning from one meal, okay, base to another. So you have to go ahead and actually transition well. And so over here, turn the light over this way, okay? You can see that we've got some eggs, okay, out of my, of course, family of chickens and ducks. And I've got myself, that's going to go give you your protein. It's got all the lecithin in there, the cholesterol, the good cholesterol. It's good for you guys. Don't think it's bad for you. Remember, it's transition. Gluten-free, wheat, corn, and soy-free. And these are brown rice tortillas. I'm going to have some of those, one of those. And I'm going to make myself a huge salad. This is my salad dressing from last night. And I'm going to go ahead and add some more salad from the garden. Okay, and I'm going to have myself 2 big oranges right here, and that's my dinner for the evening. That's a dinner. I haven't had any food all day. Okay, so it's simple to go ahead and make your own. Remember, old produce makes good soups. You're going to kill it anyways. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, so remember, you're making soup. And then what I do is I like to eat the chunks the first day. Okay, and you can put some raw goat cheese on top, whatever you want to put on. Okay, it doesn't matter. Remember, it's transition. And raw goat cheese, raw milk, okay, is good for you. Don't say it's not. Okay, as long as it's grass-fed and RSBT-free. It's hard to find, I know. Okay, and making sure that you have enough of the oils in you. That's why I like to use organic coconut oil or organic olive oil. And you never cook the olive oil, ever. If you're going to cook anything, use the coconut oil. That's all. And let's see, anything else? And that's it. That's my dinner. And I may have a couple of crackers, okay? And these are really good crackers right here. 100%. Let's see, we can get it right. Yeah, there. Okay. 100% ancient buckwheat, okay, quinoa. And I've been trying these. They don't hurt my stomach, so that's good. And they're made by Le Pain des Fleurs, the bread of flowers. Okay, and those are my crunchies, and that's it. And that's my dinner. Remember, I eat a meal a day. Keeps the doctor away, okay? So enjoy your transitional meals. My arm's getting tired. Enjoy your transitional meals, okay? Remember, keep it simple. Okay, tomorrow what you can do is you can take that soup, because you're not going to go ahead and have the whole thing tonight. You're just going to have a little bit. Remember, don't eat too much. And I'll put it in the blender tomorrow. And I'll throw some coconut oil in there. I'll put some raw onions in there. I'll put raw onions on top of the soup when I'm done. Okay, make it taste good. And then I'll buzz it up. And I got myself now mashed potatoes. So you can make this a variety of ways, whatever produce. You can use broccoli, cauliflower, really works good with this. Okay, so have fun and enjoy your old produce soup. And make sure, of course, you follow the Earther Academy. Okay, not really follow, but learn from the Earther Academy protocols, practices, and principles that I share all of my private, okay, I guess, truths, okay, deeper layers on how I helped myself, okay, heal a lot of the problems that I, of course, had previously. So I'm not saying I'm better, I'm no worse. Excuse me. I'm not saying that insulting people that are overweight. No, guys, you're toxic. You can't change your ways. You have to learn the protocols, okay, how to be able to decrease the amount of microbial complexity that's pathogenic in your body, how to rebuild your gut wall flora, okay, how to be able to clean your skin, okay, and then relubricate it and get rid of the skin and pore parasites, including fungus, which everybody has. Okay, so these are all important things that we teach and share at eartheracademy.com. Okay, we put out a lot of good videos on YouTube, but they're only the scratch, and then we share a lot of the deeper layers on the Earther Academy private website. Okay, guys, you do need a kitchen, so get the Earther Kitchen. You can see all my stuff, all my oils, my ferments, and I got a lot of ferments. Look, all these things right here are ferments. Okay, got my oranges, my lemons, my purple onions, grapefruit, Soleil salt, okay, and you've got a variety of different types of greens, okay, like blue-green algae, chlorella, spirulina, and of course the best place, of course, that I've found to get my products that I use is from earthshiftproducts.com. It's our family company, and I'm lucky that our family lets us do it. Is because, let me tell you, what a pain in the arse. Okay, and it's not a business to make money. It's a business because you want to do something good. So anyways, guys, okay, aloha, and we'll see you next time on the next maybe transitional meal that I'll show you a couple of them in a row on some of the dinners that I have tonight, okay, and tomorrow night, and the next night. And I do have some cooked food at night, so it's not just having all raw. Remember, eating cooked food is emotional, and it will feed your emotional body. So if I'm having a rough day, what do I want? Or it's cold outside because I feel depressed, what do you want? You want something warm, don't you? Yes, you do. Okay, so I like to go ahead and have crunchies, and I have my meal is about 80% raw though. Still, I eat my salad first. Okay, I'll have usually 1 or 2 eggs at least 3 times a week. Okay, because you need to be able to go ahead and rebuild, renew, and reset your physiology to stop drinking blood, okay, and eating flesh. That's not easy to do. Remember, you're trying to detox yourself as much as you can, so make sure if you're going to do the eggs, watch our Miracle of Eggs course, Dr. Robert Cassar, The Miracle of Eggs, and of course, you're not killing anything. Remember, it takes 7 days just for the heart just to get the chicken to get a heart, 7 days. And then 14 days after that, of course, it's a chicken. But the first 6 days, it's just a protoplasmic blob of chi and energy, as long as it's fertile. If it's not fertile, then I wouldn't touch it. Okay, guys, that's enough. Aloha, I'm hungry. Okay, we'll see you next time. I was so excited when I finished. I want to show you how we finished off this beautiful, look at old produce soup. Look at it. Look at the color of this. Okay, beautiful color, okay? And the taste, oh my gosh, tastes like it has ketchup in it. Remember, this is all old produce. I got hummus on top. I got a duck egg here, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and some raw purple onions. And I dressed it off with curry powder, black pepper, smoked pepper, a little bit of butter on top. And I like to go ahead and put olive oil on top too, and finish it off with just a little bit of lemon. Oh, now the secret I want to show you, okay, why is it so thick? Let me show you this. Okay, look at this, how thick it is. Okay, that's thick. All right. I gotta write this recipe down. And I just shot from the hip. Whatever I had in the refrigerator, I put a little piece of banana in there. That's it. Okay, remember, I put the Irish moss. That thickens it up. And I put a little handful, chopped it up. And the secret is to use potassium bicarbonate as you're cooking. Okay, I was going to eat this sort of in pieces, and I put just about a half a teaspoon, about that much, of potassium bicarbonate as I'm cooking this. And it makes the vegetables, okay, so good. Okay, I just wanted to show you. Anybody can make these dinners, okay? And I wanted to really show you how not only does it taste good, but make it beautiful. Look at how beautiful that thing is. Again, I'm surprised at my own self, okay? Look at that beautiful. And it doesn't taste bad. No, it tastes great, okay? So anyways, I like good food. And I'm going to have those with a little bit of crackers, and that's it. There's my dinner that anybody could make, okay? Aloha. There we go. Get out of the light. And we'll see you next time. Again, here we go. Oh, that's going to taste good. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, that's it. Aloha.